Hello there, mathematician. Miss Chappell here. In this video, we are going to talk about how we can use our mental math strategies to solve addition problems, with the emphasis on making a 10. Let's get started. Pam has 5 stamps. Her friend Kate gave her 7 more. How many stamps does Pam have now? Okay, so what is this problem about? Well, this problem is about Pam and the stamps that she had. What are you trying to find out? We are trying to find out how many stamps does Pam have now? What information is important? Well, it's important to know that she had 5 stamps. It's also important to know that her friend Kate gave her 7 more. Okay, we now have enough information to begin solving the problem. So, the first thing I want to do is write my equation. So I know that we have 5. Her friend gave her 7 more. So because her friend gave her 7 more, that tells me that we're going to have our starting amount and we're adding 7 more to it. So I'm going to use the addition symbol and then the 7. And I'm going to use a square to represent my unknown number. 5 plus 7 equals unknown. Okay. So what can I do to solve this? Let's see. I could draw 5 circles, right? And then 7 more. And then count them all together. Sure, I could do that. But what if I told you that there is actually a better way of solving this? Would you believe me? Well, I'm going to show you. We're going to use our knowledge of 10 to help us out. So what I mean by that is thinking of all those different combinations of 10, such as 0 and 10, 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5. And then we can just reverse the facts, right? Then it would be 6 and 4, 7 and 3, 8 and 2, 9 and 1, 10 and 0. So we can use that information to help us. So here is what I see. I see here that I have 5. How many more would I need to make a 10? Yes, you got it. We need 5 more to make a 10. So where am I going to get this 5 from? Well, I'm going to take it out of the 7. So what I'm going to do is break this 7 up into 5 and 2. Where does that 2 come from? Well, if I have 5 and I add 2 more, it gives me the 7. So 7 is the same as 5 and 2. So now I can use this 5 and 5 to make a 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Now, I have to remember I still have this 2. So starting at the 10, I add 2 more to get 12. So this tells me that 5 plus 7 is 12. Another bit of information I understand is that 5 plus 7 is the same as 5 plus 5 plus 2. They are equal. This means they are equivalent. Let's try another one. Rob has 8 blocks. His friend Ben gave him 6 more. How many blocks does Rob have now? All right. Let's see. what is this problem about? This problem is about Rob and Rob's blocks. What are you trying to find out? We're trying to find out how many blocks does Rob have? What information is important? It's important to know that Rob has 8 blocks. It's also important to know that his friend Ben gave him 6 more. So because Ben gave him 6 more, I know this is going to be addition. So 8 plus 6 equals unknown. Once again, I'm going to use these 10 facts to help me. So I have 8. That means I need 2 more to make a 10. So I can break 6 up. I'm going to break 6 up into 2. And I gotta think here. If I have 6 and I break it up into 2, what's that missing number going to be? That means 2 plus unknown is going to be 6. Well, you got it. 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So 8 plus 6 is equal to 8 plus 2 plus 4. All right. Well, now that we made our combination here, let's go ahead and put it together. So we have 8 and 2 to make our 10. So 8 plus 2 is 10. We can't forget, we still have that 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. Therefore, 8 plus 6 is, you got it, 14. All right, mathematicians, are you ready to try this strategy out on your own? Good luck.